Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming at you with some wonderful information. Today we're going to figure out how to turn our cooling system off and on, or aka demo mode. Different manufacturers have different languages. This is actually the cooling system is what it's called. Now if you get your fridge and plug it in, all the lights work, but it's not cooling, it's possible it could be in the cooling is off mode, okay? So how to do that is you go, and this is a GE profile, okay? Real nice GE profile, 4-door, beautiful fridge. You got the real nice backlight and the whole 9 yards, wonderful fridge, okay? So what you want to do is you want to go, this is your settings button, okay? You push your settings to fridge. Now this is going to be the hard part. You need to touch the up and down at the same time. You get 3, 2, 1. That says cooling system is on. If off is lit up, that's what you're going to get. So if you get the little dashes like that, you know the cooling system's off, which means you're going to want to turn it on. Okay? So if we get out of this, see, now we're out of it, this is what you're going to look at. You see, all my lights are still working, but now the cooling is not going to function. So you got a beautiful fridge, it's not getting cool, you're going to want to turn the cooling system on. So like I said, so what you want to do is go to your settings, which is your button, and you want to go to fridge, okay? And then you can see that, and you're going to go, actually it's off, so you don't have to, all you can do is push on, and it goes automatically to it, okay? Now if you're getting this and it's still not cooling, you've got other issues. It's pretty easy, pretty basic, but you can turn your cooling system off and on, and that's how you do it. Like I said, just to remind you, if you see this, okay, if you see that, okay, and all this stuff still lights up, actually we'll get rid of that, cooling system, just turn it off. If you see that in your display, that means your cooling system is off. We'll get out of this, and so you'll see what I mean by it being off, okay? Okay, so if you see this, okay, you're going to go to your settings button, and then you're going to push it till you see the 2 dashes again. And it's going to say off or on. You want to make sure you hit the on button. Okay, now your system is cooling again. Okay, that's how you turn it back on if you see those 2 little dashes. Don't forget to subscribe and like this YouTube channel. Let's come back for some more wonderful information, and you folks have a wonderful day.